Hi, I'm Roshan from class 3G. I'm a senior from Woodlands Secondary School. My CCA is the National Civil Defence Cadet Corps. Are you good with CPR? CPR stands for Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation. Do well with me the steps and show me your skills. Let's go!
When you see an unconscious person, firstly, check for danger. Secondly, check for response. Then, shout for help. Check airway, check breathing. If casualty is not breathing, start compression.
Up for our challenge? Stitch your video with ours and send it to our Woodlands site Facebook or Instagram. We will share our favorite entries and choose the winner at the end of January. Thank you!